Imagine bringing your still AI-generated photos to life, making them blink, smile, and even speak, all without spending a dime. Sounds futuristic, right? The truth is, with today's free tools, you don't need expensive software or advanced editing skills to make your AI images talk. In just a few simple steps, you can turn any static picture into a talking character that grabs attention, entertains, and even educates your audience. What if I told you that picture you just created with AI could actually talk, with lips moving and even a real voice, and you don't need to spend a single dollar to make it happen? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn any AI image into a talking character completely free, using tools that are super easy and beginner friendly. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let's dive in it.
The very first talking AI tool you need to know about is called Degen AI. This platform makes it incredibly simple to bring your images to life by adding realistic lip sync and voice, turning still photos into talking characters within seconds. Whether you're creating content for fun, business, or social media, Degen AI is designed to be beginner-friendly, fast, and free to start with.
That is just AI image that just spoke. Yes. Now you can actually turn your avatar, your image to talking avatar. You can make your image to talk. You can make your cartoon image avatars to talk. Yes. Now in this video, I will be putting you through how you can use the tools, the AI tools to make your image to talk. You make them dance if you want them to dance, whatever you want them to do, you can actually make them do that. All right. Now, I will advise you watch this video to the full so you don't make mistake, because at the point of actually creating this image, it is completely free. Not completely free, but there are free versions. All right. Now, if you make mistake, you will not be able to know when, where, and where. So watch the video too. All right, watch the whole video. Now, for you to achieve this, the first thing you need to do is get your image. That is the first thing you need to do. Your image can be cartoon-like, can be what is it called? Real image. There are so many apps that helps you to generate image, and one of them is Image Effects, ChatGPT, and the rest of them. So many of them. So you can generate your image from anywhere. That is the first thing you need to do. All right. Now, once you have generated your image, before proceeding, so you go to your Play Store or Apple Store, whichever one, download the Gen AI, all right? Once you download it, if you have it on your phone, good. If you do not want it on your phone, you can go to the website, okay? But for the course of this video, I'm using the app, so I have to download it, all right? I love using the app, okay? So you click on it. That is what I use often for my faceless YouTube channel. Okay, so once you click on it, it opens this way. You can see up there, you click on create. Okay, but first you have to register. All right, once you click on create, this is what will display. It will display, it mustn't be this picture. You click on create up there, you see that create. All right, now you see I have 200, you're 220, you're giving 300 on daily basis. All right, now it can be any of these pictures. Okay, once you do that, you click on the picture, you click to add image. Once you click on it, it will take you to images. Remember I said you have to generate your image first. It will take you there. You click on the image you want. No, this is not the image I want to use for the course of this video. Let's go up. Yeah, I want to use these cards. Okay, so I'll change it to the cards. I think the other cards will be better. Now, when you click on the image, allow it to load 100% before doing anything. Once it loads, the image will change. You can see it has changed. All right, the next thing you have to do is click on the talk. All right, you click on it. You see where once you click on it, now there are options of you typing in what you want that person to talk, or you can just basically get your voiceover. Now, for the course of this video, I like doing my own voiceover. I have done my own voiceover. which you can do your own voiceover using 11 Labs, Clip Charms, and many other voiceovers. Okay, text to voice. Now, what you do is you can use any of these places. You can see where I'm deleting. If you want them to type what you want them to talk, type it there. But I do not want this. Okay, so I want to use my own voiceover for the course of this video. I'll click on upload, and it will take me to where the voiceover I have made ahead before making this video. All right, so it has taken me to this, so I have to choose which of them is the voiceover. All right, the one that I want to use. Once I click on it, all right, I'll wait. Now you can see it is here. Now before proceeding, I would like to play it and be sure. If it is what I want, I will continue. If it is not, I will click on upload again and change it to the one I want. Once you're done, you click on the good. Okay, once you're done, you click on the good, and that is not the one I want. So let me change it right now. I think that this one will be the right one. So you can always upload. Whenever you upload and it's not what the one you want, click on upload again and you change it. Now let me play this. I need to be sure it is what I want. I need to be certain. Good. So this is it. Once this is done, you click on good. You can see the talk is showing purple. Once your talk is showing purple, that means you're good to go. The next place is click on prompts, the one on top of the talk. Once you click on it, now what is this place for? What this place is where you make that avatar to talk. The avatar you want it to talk, this is where whatever you want that avatar to do, or video, or picture, image to do, you type it here. But me, I like typing it somewhere and pasting it here. You want it to dance, type it here. You want it to stand up, type it here. You want it to shout, type it here. Whatever you want that image to do, once you're done, you click good. You can see it is showing another light purple. Once this two is showing purple, you're good to go. Then once you see this, click on cancel, go back. You see this 2.3. You see this 2.6. Click on it, change it to the first one. Click on good. You are going for the first model. Once you're done, you click on generate video. It will start generating. It is as simple as ABCD. Very easy. Very easy. So guys, if you have any question, you drop it on the comment section. Now you allow this video to generate your video. It takes time. All right, it takes time. Once you're done, you see download. Take your time to allow it to download properly. All right, network can even affect it, but just give it time to download properly. If you try to download it and it is not downloading, just go off the app completely and come back. You see it and download it. It is very easy, and this is the easiest way you can make your video talk, your picture talk. Now let's see what it looks like. Let's see how our downloaded avatar looks like.
Wow, look at me. My yellow fur shines so bright, so smooth, so perfect. I can't stop admiring myself.
So guys, if you have any question, feel free to drop it on the comment section, and make sure you like this video. Thank you.